Okay, so my team swaps. These are swap cards. When we go to a gathering with my team and other people, we actually make cards and we swap them. And so this lovely team swap was from a lady named Chris. She actually included the envelope, which was super generous, but she didn't need to do that. That is not expected. The one thing that is expected is that I ask for the swaps to be full cards, so not card fronts, because I just don't believe in them. So full cards and current product. So Chris made a lovely swap card using Grapefruit Grove. So thank you, Chris. Who was this? Oh, this is my assistant, Sandra Donald. She is phenomenal. Look at that. I couldn't even tell you what die cut that is, but it's lovely. Beautiful. Good job, Sandra. This was Deb, I believe, using the stitched rectangles, and I'm not sure. This must be one of those rosy ones. I don't think I have that. Rooted in Nature here, and using, I'm thinking this is soft suede. Really nice, and I like the way that it opens, hey? That's a really cool card. It's different. This is from Aggie, so it's a thin acetate, and she's stamped acetate. She stamped on the acetate. It looks like with Stays On ink. I'm trying not to get the reflection from my light, so that's why I'm tilting it. So how you open this is you open it like that, and it's just adhered lightly on the inside. It says life's too short to say no to cake, and then it's opened up here. So she said that it was inspired by a card by Lisa Hardy, and the stamp set is Amazing Life. And it was the metallic sequin assortment that she used. So really nice job, Aggie. This was from my, she was my roommate actually at the time. This is from Helen Hunter. Look at her card. So nice. So she's using Mary Merlot and that octopus die. Look at how fun. And she's actually included sand. Can you see that? And I love this technique. I know another lady in England who does this lovely technique with the twine all the way around. So really good job. And then on the inside, not only does she have her, so Sea of Textures is the stamp set, and Under the Sea framelets. And on the inside, look at that, hey? Really cute. Such a good job. Thank you so much, Helen. And this is Danielle. And let me see here. She used the Butterfly Beauty stamp set. And also, I think that is, there's another stamp set here. Dandelion Wishes. There she is. Anyway, her logo is, she's on Instagram at Cards Made by Danielle. And check this out. Isn't that the coolest thing? Way to go, Danielle. Love it. Really nifty idea. She did so much work. Actually, all of my team did amazing work. All right, so this was actually my team. The 6 ladies that joined, we had one lady that couldn't make it. She was very sick. And this was sort of like the West Coast girls. I have the other 3/4 of my team are in mid-Canada and in the East, so they were unable to join. But hopefully I will have some swaps to share with you, because we have decided to do a pre-order swap. So we get to pre-order the items in the catalog in the new catalog. So we're going to purchase and we're going to create, and hopefully we'll have some really good ideas for you on how to use those lovely products in the catalog. Okay, so then I'm also on a team, a bigger team, that it's basically my uplines team. So these are, they would be considered like my sidelines. So I will share with you what they have shared with me. So it says Life's Short. This is Karen DeMatos, and she's from Caledon, which is a very tiny little town in between here and Oliver. Live It with Zest. So obviously lemon zest is the stamp set. Okay, so here we have that detailed laser cut. And let's see, who was this by? Megita Cherry is her name, and she used Fresh Fig for this. Celebrate You stamp set, maybe? I'm not sure. Doesn't really say. And some gold metallic thread and some rhinestones. Really pretty. All right, here's from my assistant and friend. She actually made 2 versions. I don't know how I ended up with 2. We obviously like each other's work. So cute. Animal Expedition DSP and Animal Friends framelits and the Taylor Tag Punch right there. So cute. So her name is Sandra Donalds. She's the one who helps with my card kits, everyone. So you can give her a big thank you with all the cutting that she does. So cute. This is from Nancy Andrushko, and she used the Petal Promenade. So yeah, thank you so much for sharing. Okay, so this one doesn't have a name. This, I don't even know what that, I don't have this folder. This is Grapefruit Grove. I can't remember that stamp set either. Oh my gosh. Anyway, it looks really good. I quite like this, but I seriously need to brush up on my my current product stamp sets. Again, this was Chris and Fawcett, and she did a Daffodil Delight Firefly for this swap. So thank you, Chris. This is, I know this one. This is Timeless Textures. I love this one. And look at these. These are Beautiful Bouquet, maybe? And this is the stitched oval. This is a beautiful layout, don't you think? Well done. Maybe it's Terry Hamilton. That's who it is. Thank you, Terry. Love your work. Okay. Shoebox Paper Crafts, okay, Susan Martin. So that's that embossing folder. Oh, I love it. And Celebrate Your Day, just a circle with a little flower, and it looks like it's been fussy cut out. Good job. Oh, and this is Heather from Playing with Paper Crafting, Heather Cooper. So it looks like petal pink, I'm pretty sure. And the gray granite. I don't have this stamp set. This is really nice though. Heather is really good, very talented. And then this was really interesting. This is Diane Go. And I think it's supposed to go like that. It's pretty thick, so it won't stay closed. I'm thinking, oh, hang on. There's a little slit. There we go. See, I just had to investigate. Or maybe it goes in here. There it is. And then there it is. It stands up like that. Really cool, hey? So it looks like there are 3 squares that are cut out. Let me see if I can measure them. just really quick. It looks like these are 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 squares. So she must use 3 1/2 piece of cardstock. And then you score them in the center from end to end. And then, yeah, you just put designer series paper on and then a little slit for that corner end, and then decorate as you please. Maybe I will do a video and show you how to do that, maybe on a Fabricate Friday. I think it's a great idea. It's a fun, unusual card. There's this one called, and this is from Deb Vines, or Vines. She's from Kelowna, and it says, what does it say? High tide, sheltering tree, and waterfront. That the stamp sets that she used, and her paper was Pool Party and Basic Black and Coastal Cabana, and the blends that she used was Bermuda Bay, and that must be this part here, and So Saffron for her ink, Early Espresso, and Coastal Cabana. So good job. Thank you, Deb. Oh, look at this. Okay. Hang on, I gotta take the Post-it note. Oh, that's a sticky Post-it note. So this is from Liata Leek, and she used the Butterfly Gala stamp, the smallest rectangle from Amazing Life, and butterfly paper colored with various markers. And then on the inside, what a surprise. That's fun, hey? It flutters. Good job, I love it. Thank you so much. This one, God is Love. So, and inside, he is not here, he is risen. Happy Easter, it says, colored with blends on here. Okay, so Chris Turlind, and she used the wood textures, Cross of Hope, cute. Okay, so this is hashtag simple stamping from Aggie Montgomery. She used Pool Party and Whisper White and Sheltering Tree and One for All. So that is a really simple but effective card. This is the Sheltering Tree part. Neat, hey? And this one is unnamed. I don't know who it was, so I'll have to try to figure this out. This is heat embossed with white. We've got some linen thread. I think that is the seasonal die cuts. These, it looks to me like the stitch circles. And then this is all on a thin piece of Whisper White and Granny Apple Green. And again, here is the embossing folder that I don't remember. And I don't have this. I don't have any of these products. This must be Blackberry Bliss, I'm assuming. And that's a circle, or sorry, oval, stitched oval. This is that white woven ribbon, but it goes like this. It's one of those easel cards. So the card itself has a lot of embellishments on the inside. She went to town on that. And this is by Xenia Stanford. So thank you so much, Xenia. It's a gorgeous card. Very nicely done. Pearls and rhinestones. Oh, no, those are clear enamel droplets. And that is silver embossed. Really good job. So this is by Desiree, and it is the doggy, I don't know, just for you. This is Share What You Love Designer Series paper, and that ribbon looks really good. Thanks, Desiree. Desiree's my upline. And this is the card that I made for the swap. I got one back. I don't know how it managed to do that one. I used Balmy Blue, Whisper White, Mint Macaron, the stitched rectangles, the Eastern Medallion dies. That is lemon lime twist in the background. This is that two-sided ribbon, Coastal Cabana and lemon lime twist, glitter enamel dot. The colors I used here are balmy blue, lemon lime twist, mint macaron. So pretty, the same colors all around with a nice lift. So that was my swap. So these are my team swaps. What do you think? There was a lot there. That was the bigger team. All right, so I'm going to move on into my swaps that I did, just general swaps, but I'll do that in another video.